Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we are going to learn how to download and install the Chase mobile app. If you don't have a Chase checking account, we will put our referral link in the description below for you to sign up. We will also put links for similar bank account promotions. To start, open the App Store by tapping on it. On the search bar, type in and search for Chase Mobile. So this is how the Chase mobile app icon looks like. To proceed, tap on Get. Once the download is finished, tap on Open. If you already have an account, tap on Login. Otherwise, tap on Sign Up. Next, sign in with your username and password. Before you can access your account, you need to verify your identity. Select how you wish to receive the code either via text or call. Then tap on the Request a Code button. Once you receive the code, enter it on the field provided. Then tap on Sign In. That's how you download and install the Chase mobile app. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.